Okay, I got my portable washer and dryer. You see, I got all these old dirty clothes, but this is what comes with it. This straight out the package. You know, you got this right here. This is the spin side. This right here is the washing side. So I'm gonna move around and just show you everything that this thing comes with. And let's take some measurements first. Straight across, we'll say 23. The height of the front is 23. But let's close this and look at the back height. That's 20, let's say it's 27. And the width of this is right at, let's say 13 and a half inches. So I'm gonna give you a closer look. You see right here, when you open this right here is the washer side. So it has this hose that it comes with, and this hose connect right here if you wanna fill it up. And it also comes this little bracket, I guess, if you wanna put your hose over so it won't kink it. And this right here goes on top of the spinner part. When you get ready to wash your clothes, dry your clothes, you just raise this up and you put this down in here. It's some kind of safety device. You put it right there on the top. So when it do the spinning, it will not, I guess, throw clothes out or anything. So this is good for me because I'll be working in the oil and gas field. And you see my clothes right here, and I really don't have time to take them to the cleaners. And when I do take them to the cleaners, it's costing me about $40 to $50 a week. And you see I got all these pants, so I have to get that many pants to work for about a week and a half, 2 weeks, so I can take them to the cleaners. But since I got this little portable thing, I can wash every day if I want to, especially if you're using this FR clothing. This stuff gets expensive. A pair of pants is like $100. So if you're buying 5 or 6 pair of those, man, you're in trouble. So I can wash those every day or every other day. So I really don't need nothing but 2 pair of those. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. You see here to the left, that's the washer, and to the right is the spinner. And this thing is really easy to use. I'm gonna fill it up here with my shower head. You see I got that extension right there. So I'm gonna just pull it across and fill it up. So I'm gonna do 2 pair of pants. These pants are dirty right here. It's a lot of dust in the area we in. So I'll probably be washing every other day or maybe every day. So let's try these 2 pair of pants first. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these 2 pair of pants in there. And it looks like it got a lot of room. I could do 3, but I'm only do 2 at a time. So I'm gonna put those in there. And they say they use maybe about 2 or 3 ounces of washing detergent. So I'm gonna put maybe about 3 ounces or so in there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and turn the water on to the shower to fill this up. And you see I got that shower, that extension on there to where I can reach it across and fill that up. Or you can put that hose on there and fill it up either way. Or you just get a bucket of water and fill it up. So I'm gonna fill it up until it's almost to the top, covering the pants, and then I'm gonna go in and just move this around and get the soap mixed in. And once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and turn my water off. You see how much water I got in there. So I covered everything up. This is 2 pair of pants. And the first thing what you wanna do, you just put this down, and I'm gonna do normal wash. You see right there, that's on normal. And I'm gonna turn this clockwise for 15 minutes. And it start washing. That's it. So after 15 minutes, you come back and you can put it in the spinner. And look at this thing. I'm gonna open it up and just let you see. It spins really good. I'm impressed with it. It's washing those 2 pair of pants really good. Like I said, I spend $40, $50 a week taking my clothes to the laundromat and get them to do it for me. And the good thing about this thing, you can also wash and dry at the same time. You see right here, I had some stuff I had washed a little earlier. I'm gonna just throw a couple of them in there and just show you right now while I'm washing, and I can go ahead and hit the spin on the dry there, and it's spinning clothes, drying clothes while it's washing at the same time. And for the price of this thing, I'm really impressed. If I can get about 2-3 months out of it, I'm good for the price. As you can see, that it's washing really, really good. So I'm gonna let those go ahead and wash for about 15 minutes. And once it's done, I'm gonna just show you right there. It's done washing. So now you come here and you turn it to drain. And look, it drains this water really fast. Look at that water coming out. And if you think it's too dirty, you can wash it again. You know, it's only 15 minutes, or you can do a 5-minute wash, whatever you want to do. And you see how it's draining out really good. And the drain do not stop. Once it's drained out as much as it can, you have to come and turn it to stop, because it'll continue to try to drain. So I'm done draining. I'm gonna just put it there on stop, and I'm gonna take one pair of pants and I'm gonna put them over in the spinner. So I'm not gonna spin two pair. I'm gonna just do one at a time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in, and you can set your spin to 5 minutes, 2 minutes, whatever you want. I'm just turning it to spin. I'm gonna go ahead and do 5 minutes, and you can stop it anytime you want. And you see while it's spinning, it's also spinning the water out. And I was impressed by this. By the time it finished spinning, it was almost dry. And I just hung them up. And tomorrow in the morning, it probably would be dry. So I wish I would have knew about this earlier.